Hello everyone, my name is Arun. Today I am going to tell about the next problem in the HackerRank C++ section, that is conditional statements. Here they have given three conditional statements. First is if, second is if else, second is if else if ladder. So what the if condition is, if we give any conditions, for example any boolean conditions, if it is true, then the following statements will be executed. If it is not true, then this set of code or this set of statements will be skipped. Same in the case of if else. If the given condition in the if statement is true, then the statement 1 will be executed. If it is false, then statement 2 will be executed. The if else if is an advanced version of if else statement. Here there will be a ladder of if else statements. If the first condition is true, then the first set of blocks will be executed. Else second condition will be checked. If it is true, second set of blocks will be executed, and so on. If none of the above conditions are met, then the final else condition will be evaluated. The given problem here is, given a positive integer n, we have to print the corresponding lowercase English word. For example, if the number is 1, we need to print the alphabetic form of that number, such as ONE, in the lowercase English word. For 2, TWO, and so on. If the number is greater than 9, we just have to print that greater than 9. Here we need not to take any input from user in the form of cin and scanf. It is already given in the variable n and already stored. We just have to use the conditional statement and evaluate and print the corresponding word. Here they have given some extra code just to read the number and store it in n. We need not to edit or evaluate about this. The another point about this program is that they have used bits/stdc++.h. You may not have come across this header file. This header file is also called as the universal header file. What the advantage of this header file is, if you use this header file, you need not to include any other header files. It will contain all your header files such as math, stack, list, queue, and any string functions. All the header files will be included in a single header file. You can visit the Geeks for Geeks documentation about this header file and read more about this. The disadvantages of this header file is that if you use any compiler other than GCC compiler, then this header file may not work. So keep a note of that. We will solve the problem. We will first evaluate if the number is n. If it is 1, if the number is 1, we will print if the number is not 1, we will use the else if condition. If the number is 2, it will print 2. Same way we need to do for all the numbers. What it does is, it checks first if the number is 1, and if it is 1, means if this boolean condition is true, then 1 is printed. If this is false, then second condition will be checked. If this is equal to 2, then 2 will be printed. We need to continue this ladder till n equal to 9. If the if if the number is not between 1 and 9, then we have to use the final condition to print that the number is greater than 9. You can see here at one of the test cases, say if the number is 44, then we just have to print that it is greater than 9. So if none of the conditions is met, the control will come to this else block and we have to print greater than 9. We will run the code. The sample test cases have been passed. We will submit it for evaluation. Yes, the code is correct. All the test cases have been passed. Thank you.